everyone, and welcome to The Next Future, the go-to source for all things affiliate marketing and SEO. Today we're diving deep into the world of SEO techniques tailored specifically for affiliate marketers. If you're an affiliate marketer or aspiring to be one, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to reveal proven SEO strategies that can propel your affiliate marketing game to the next level. But before we jump into it, let me share something with you. I've been in the affiliate marketing game for years, and I've witnessed firsthand the incredible potential it holds. Through hard work, dedication, and these very SEO techniques. So rest assured, the strategies I'm about to unveil are tried, tested, and proven. But first, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable insights. Now let's dive straight into the meat of this video. To kick things off, let's get back to the basics. What is SEO, and why is it essential for affiliate marketers? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the art of optimizing your website or content to rank higher in search engine results. For affiliates, this translates into increased visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more commissions. Understanding how search engines work is key. They rely on complex algorithms that analyze various factors to determine which websites should rank higher than others. And did you know that a staggering 75% of users never scroll past the first page of search results? That's where SEO comes into play, helping you secure those coveted top spots. Unlike paid advertising, which can be costly, SEO allows you to attract organic traffic without continually opening your wallet. But how do you achieve this? Let's move on to the next chapter. One of the foundational pillars of SEO is keyword research. It's not just about finding any keywords, it's about discovering the right keywords. Keyword research tools are your allies in this journey. They help you identify high-potential keywords related to your niche and the products or services you're promoting. Imagine you're promoting fitness supplements. You'd want to target keywords like best protein powder for muscle gain or top weight loss supplements. These keywords strike a balance between search volume and competition. They're in demand, but not overly competitive, giving you a better chance to rank. Once you've identified your target keywords, the next step is to strategically incorporate them into your content. This includes titles, headings, body text, and even meta descriptions. But remember, it's not just about stuffing keywords everywhere. It's about crafting compelling, informative, and user-friendly content that naturally includes these keywords. When done right, your content will start appearing in search results, attracting the right audience and driving targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Now let's move on to the next crucial aspect of SEO. While keywords are the foundation, content is the heart and soul of your affiliate marketing efforts. Creating high-quality, valuable content should be at the core of your strategy. Whether it's in the form of articles, videos, reviews, or guides, your content should resonate with your target audience. Take product reviews, for instance. They should be comprehensive, honest, and provide real value to your audience. Share your personal experiences and insights, and be sure to address common questions and concerns. Incorporating visuals like images, infographics, and charts can further enhance the user experience and make your content more engaging. Quality content not only keeps your audience engaged, but also encourages them to share your content, boosting your reach and authority in the process. But that's not all. Stay tuned for the next chapter. Optimizing your content for SEO goes beyond keywords. It involves meticulous on-page SEO tactics. On-page optimization includes optimizing titles, meta descriptions, headings, images, and more. These are the elements that search engines analyze to understand what your content is about. A clean and user-friendly URL structure is crucial. It not only helps search engines, but also improves the overall user experience. Using headers to structure your content not only makes it more readable, but also helps search engines better understand your content hierarchy. Don't forget image optimization. Adding descriptive alt tags to your images helps search engines understand what's depicted and can drive additional traffic through image searches. Site speed matters. A fast-loading website not only keeps visitors engaged, but is also favored by search engines. When your on-page optimization is on point, you increase the chances of earning featured snippets or rich results, which can significantly boost your visibility. But that's not all. Let's move on to our next chapter. Link building is the backbone of off-page SEO, and it plays a crucial role in your affiliate marketing success. But here's the catch. It's not just about any link. It's about building high-quality, authoritative backlinks. Ethical link building strategies involve outreach, guest posting, influencer collaborations, and more. These tactics help you secure valuable backlinks from reputable sources. When you have backlinks from authoritative websites in your niche, search engines view your site as more trustworthy and relevant, boosting your rankings. And the higher you rank, the more organic traffic you attract, ultimately leading to more clicks on your affiliate links and more commissions in your pocket. Remember, it's not about the quantity of backlinks, it's about the quality and relevance. As your backlink profile grows, your authority in your niche solidifies. Regularly monitor your backlinks, disavow toxic ones, and keep building high-quality ones. It's an ongoing process that pays off in the long run. But wait, we're not done yet. Stay with me for our final chapter. SEO is dynamic. It's an ever-evolving landscape. To maintain your success, you must continually monitor and adapt your strategies. Analytics tools like SimilarWeb, SEMrush, SpyFu can provide valuable insights into your site's performance, showing you what's working and what needs improvement. Keep an eye on your rankings. If you notice fluctuations, analyze the reasons behind them and adjust your strategy accordingly. Keyword trends change over time. Be flexible and open to adapting your content to align with new keyword opportunities. Consider seasonal trends and holidays when planning your content calendar. Timely, relevant content can attract significant traffic during peak periods. In conclusion, mastering SEO techniques for affiliate marketing requires dedication, knowledge, and adaptability. Stay informed, keep learning, and be patient. Your success will be the result of your continuous effort. Thank you for joining me on this SEO journey tailored for affiliate marketers. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right SEO techniques and a consistent effort, you can achieve remarkable results. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with fellow affiliates, and connect with us on social media.